they started the tacos, you know, it would have been okay.
So funny.
Behind mid-pack is wave 3, and then my favorite wave, wave 4, brings up the rear.
So 8:20?
8:25.
I feel like it's just
Have
got
fun.
really competitive.
Smash it. She's scared of you.
Equal.
Equal respect.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, Jen. All right, I just saw Jen at mile 15-ish. She was with Mao Yao, Bailey and Tara right behind her. Jen was smiling. She took all of her gels, all of her liquids. That's a good sign. Just drove the Cascade Locks, parked here, and then I'll walk up to the aid station, which she'll be here maybe in 30 minutes. I gotta fill up some bottles and stuff, let the dogs out, and then I'll head up there. So good so far.
Where's the gels?
Gels.
What's happening right now?
Liam being Liam. He's cold.
Let's go, Leo!
Let's go, Jen! Let's go, let's go! Alright, wait!
Yeah.
Close.
Heading to the finish. Woo. Saw Jen twice at Cascade Locks. 8th station. Just saw her on 28. She looked good. Big smile. Didn't look to be working too hard. Of course she's working though. She has 3 miles to the finish. I gotta run down there.
Oh my God! Alright, we are 3 for 3 on women's course.
I was like, I just started trying to.
You're so strong.
Oh my goodness! Also under the previous course record by 3 minutes.
That was right. Yeah. The front.
And I can't thank you. She probably said the same. My eyes are here.
She may be a newer name to a lot of people in this sport, but those of us who pay attention to it and who have for many years, it's not a surprise to see what she's been doing, but it doesn't make it any less impressive. Another course record today. We'll get to the stats later, but our champion here in 2026 from Missoula, Montana, Jennifer Lichter. Officially 3 for 3. 3 course records up, 3 course records knocked the bleep down this weekend by the women.
We kind of don't really look at shirtless, and so to me it was a surprise that this skinny lady was racing today. And so actually it was on the bus where Bailey told me that she was racing, and I was like, all right, you're racing today. And so I knew who she was. I knew her. She was incredibly strong, and I think my game plan, to be honest, was like in my head was like, okay, like go out with her and then assess how you feel.
Jen, I may have missed 1 or 2 things here, but just off the top of my head, in the last 8 or 9 months, Broken Arrow 46K win course record, which was also a close race. Speed Goat win and course record, a ridiculous performance. Black Canyon win and course record in a very close race, one of the greatest performances we've ever seen. Gorge Waterfalls 50K win and course record. The heater of heaters. What do you attribute it to, and how do you stay in this groove?
Oh man, I want to. It's cheesy, but honestly, it is belief. I feel like my running career has been such a roller coaster, and I do think like the past like 2 years, like to be honest, I think I just stopped feeling sorry for myself and instead just like focused on the things that I could control, and that is like my attitude towards training, how hard I train, how smart I train. In the past 2 years, I've taken a different approach, a more holistic approach of like be like a little sponge, right? Like soak soak in like the training, but also let it rise and recover through rest and self-care and stuff like that. And yeah, I think a lot of it has to be with like my mentality of like, you know what, like I belong. Like I feel like I've had like these instances of races where I'm like almost there but not quite, and I think I was just like tired of that. Then you show up on race day and you're like, all right, one goal today is to just race really hard, and it's really simple. And you're not racing through like, you're not on race day racing through like a therapy session. You know, it's just like, this feels hard. I know how to deal with this because I've done this on training day. And so I think simplifying that. But yeah, I think a lot of it is just like, let's fucking go. Like I believe in myself now. And like just sticking my guns through it. So yeah, I think that's been the biggest change for me.
Tell us what you're doing next and how you're feeling about it, and like especially with, you know, this big streak that you're on. What do you go home feeling, and like, is there anything you need to work on, or is it more about just, you know, being happy where you are and trying to arrive fresh?
Yeah, I think, yeah, I'm doing Western States next. Woo! Big, go big or go home family over here. Now to Western States, it's just about like not getting injured. I think the biggest challenge for me in racing in general has been my nutrition. And so I've been working really hard on that, and I think I'm seeing like the benefits of race nutrition and like how amazing it feels to like fully have energy throughout a race. And so yeah, I feel like just rest and recovery after this one. We were talking about this, Dylan, earlier, like just keeping my head straight and my screws straight on, you know, don't get too greedy in training, don't do anything stupid, and yeah, just get to the race not like a burnt piece of toast, but a perfect golden brown piece of toast. So yeah, I think that's the goal.
Oh my goodness, what a weekend. Oh my gosh. Anyway, thank you all so much. Let's do it again next year. On behalf of Corinne Malcolm, I'm Debo. LF Gorge, peace out.
158. 160, small swirl.
We're gonna call 161. 161, gotcha.
Dude, yeah, I would not have been able to do this after Black Canyon.
Walk or eat ice cream?
Walk downhill on unstable grass. Wow, this is so good.
She lives in Durango, Colorado. She's one of the most interesting athletes in the sport. It's Tara Dower, everyone. The back-to-back OCC champion and a brand new member of the All Conditions Racing Department, running 4 hours, 11 minutes, 46 seconds. Yow, yow! And finally, she's been on one of the heaters of all time in the sport of trail and ultra running. Just to recap, the last 8 months or so, she won and set the course record at the Broken Arrow 46K. Then she won and set the course record at the Speed Goat 50K. Then she won and set an insane course record at the Black Canyon 100K in her 100K debut. And here she is winning and setting a new course record here again today in the Gorge Waterfalls 50K. From Missoula, Montana, running 4 hours, 8 minutes, your champion and course record holder, Jennifer Lichter, everyone.
Just going to announce another 50K finisher from Portland, Gary Hartzell. Make some noise for Gary. Well done, sir. Sub 7 hours there.
Okay, get some photos here, and then I'm going to ask our champion to just say a couple of words here.
You're on camera.
You like my outfit color choice?
Yeah.
Such a combo.
Orange maroon is good.
Such a combo.
Now what?
I'm gonna
Drink some water.
Yeah, I'm gonna have some broth. I brought broth packets. Are they in the, they're in the van? Get some liquids. I cannot fathom drinking cold water right now. But I can fathom drinking hot water. Hence the broth. But the babies need some hot water.
Papa's here's some more water. Whoa.
Huevos. I'm just making some huevos.
Straight up. You can have on bread or anything?
I think I'm gonna start with this.
Sí, bueno.
Because I want protein in my broth.
It was insane.
So chaotic. Yeah, because they were supposed to shoot the cannon and then shoot the gun, right?
Yeah, something, but like